Hi guys, the past couple of years have seen a restructure of type approval regulators and requirements for Algeria. We know a lot of manufacturers have found the changes to be quite confusing, so I'm going to give a bit of a breakdown to help you understand the current requirements. So going back 2 years, all type approval applications other than RFID, 125 kHz and a few other technologies classified as sensitive were required to be submitted to the ARPT, the Algerian Authority for Post and Telecommunications. This included all Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and cellular equipment. Products classified as sensitive technologies, on the other hand, were submitted for type approval to the ANF, which is the Agence Nationale de Fréquence, or in English, the National Frequency Agency. This changed in 2018 when regulation was published transferring the regulatory jurisdiction of short-range devices to the ANF from the ARPT, which has now been renamed ARPCE, and which is the Autorité de Régulation de la Poste et des Communications Électroniques, or the Regulatory Authority for Post and Communications in English. The new regulation stated that all short-range devices were now to be submitted for type approval to the National Frequency Agency, a separate regulator to ARPCE who managed spectrum allocation in Algeria. At the time of the publication of this regulation, no firm procedure was specified, just that the ANF would now be responsible for such equipment. The ARPT also confirmed at the time that they would remain the body for type approval of short-range devices. But in our experience here at Eleos, this has now shifted to the National Frequency Agency for all 2.4 GHz equipment, including Bluetooth. Wi-Fi equipment, for the time being, remains under the jurisdiction of ARPCE, but we are monitoring this closely. On the 31st of October 2019, the ANF released a formal type approval procedure for the type approval of SRDs. In addition to this change, ARPCE also released new regulation amending the type approval procedure for radio products, excluding short-range devices. Generally speaking, both processes are quite similar. The key challenge for both schemes comes in knowing which regulator is required and in the submission process, in particular understanding how to submit the applications correctly. Algerian type approval applications are paperwork-heavy processes, both for ARPCE and ANF approvals. Hard copies of all declarations and the EU Declaration of Conformity are required, with a wet stamp and signature on each. EU test reports are also required and can be submitted on a CD-ROM along with other technical documentation. There are also testing requirements for both schemes, with one radiated sample required for most equipment. The testing is relatively straightforward, but getting the sample into Algeria is a challenge. You can expect a lead time of about 6 to 8 weeks for both approval schemes, though at present this is a little bit longer due to the recent transitions that we have seen at the ANF and at the ARPCE. Following the recent changes in Algeria to requirements for equipment approval and also to the regulators, it's essential to make sure that you have a good local network and solution to help you navigate Algerian approval requirements and to bring your equipment to market as quickly and efficiently as possible. Here at Eleos Compliance, we're happy to help with any requirements you may have, so please do get in touch for anything that you may need.